So now that you've taken lots of important notes about your topic using your Post-its, we need to check and verify that this information is correct before we start sharing it with our partners and before we start creating our own research books. So now here's our how to take notes section. Let's move down to verifying information. We've got a couple different ways to try it out. Let's click one of our links. Let's do National Geographic Kids. Now, the topic I'm going to focus on now are the planets. So let's say you've been reading lots of books in the Media Center about the planets. We can check some current websites to see what else we can come up with. So let's see. How about we start with this one? What is a planet? Now you might have already listed on your Post-it notes the different planets that you've been reading about and what classifies a planet. And here's some far out facts. Right away, you might see something that you're not sure is true. Our solar system's 8 planets. 8 planets. I know in some of the books in the Media Center, they talk about 9 planets. And look down here, they list them, but one seems to be missing. Which one is missing? Pluto. So let's go back and let's search Pluto. And right away in our search results we see, is Pluto no longer a planet? So some of the outdated books in the Media Center might list Pluto as a planet, but today, because Pluto doesn't meet certain standards, the IAU classifies Pluto as a dwarf planet. And if you come down to the bottom here and we look at the copyright, we see that this is a recent article and that some of our Post-its we need to verify and check and make sure they're current and up to date. So if you were sharing with your partner or writing that Pluto is a planet, we need to go back and make some corrections.